magnificent custom-designed Hamptons-style Colonial set on over 3 level acres of park-like property in the highly desirable Oenoke Ridge in New Canaan, Connecticut. Custom built by HOBI, award-winning RR builders. Privately nestled away from the noise of the city center and surrounded by mature trees and beautiful landscaping grounds. The porte cochere centers the 4-car garage with 2 electric car chargers. Enter the expansive wraparound covered porch to the perfectly proportioned front-to-back center hall. The sweeping 10,000 square foot estate is characterized by its custom design in every room and defined by beautifully proportioned light-filled spaces, soaring ceilings, superb materials, quality finishes, and the ultimate in 21st century smart home technology. Chef's kitchen with fireplace and fully equipped butler's pantry. Formal dining room and living room with covered veranda. Dramatic family room with floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Soaring ceilings with reclaimed beams from barns in Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Sophisticated home office with fireplace, built-ins, and wet bar. Finished with oak floors, soaring ceilings, warm fireplaces, and beautiful views of the rear property, the home is casually elegant. The master suite is complete with massive fireplace, multiple sitting areas, and a luxurious master bath with custom walk-in closet. 4 amply scaled ensuite bathrooms, full laundry room, and central vacuum complete the second level. Exciting walkout finish lower level offers an additional 2,300 square feet, which includes a state-of-the-art home theater, game room, wine cellar and tasting room, gym, full bath, and soundproofed professional music room. Situated comfortably on the landscape with inviting terraces and lawns, leading to magnificent pool with separate infinity edge spa and fully equipped guest house. The picturesque property exudes elegance and tranquility. An estate built for a lifestyle incorporating fun, work, hobbies, entertaining, and family time. The home is listed for $6,250,000.